What you are seeing on your screen right now is a beautiful, fully functional website that I just completed for my client. As you can see, this is the home page. We are on the home page right now, and I'm going to walk you through all of the different parts of this website and what makes this website professional. So I'm going to show you and walk you through everything, and if you keep watching, I'm going to show you how users can interact on this website and even purchase products on this website. And the beautiful thing about this is they can purchase from any part of the world. That's the benefit you have when you have not just a physical business, but when you have a website. So like I said before, we are on the home page. On the top left, you can see the logo. If you come to the right, you see 3 horizontal lines with a box. If you click on it, you're going to see a drop down menu that shows us the home, the about menu, the shop menu, the service, and the contact. We're going to come back to that, but let's just look at what you have on the home page. So if you scroll down, look at this. We have our home page and a hero section. If you look at this right now, we have the hero section that says welcome to AmLab Integrated. And actually this business is a business that does natural herbs, powders, teas, and packaging, and they also do equipment too. So if you come here, you are seeing shop now button, which means if you click this now, it's going to take you to the shop page where you're going to see all of their products that you can purchase. So if you scroll down, you're going to see benefits, you're going to see our popular products, which are the things that they sell. If you scroll down, you're going to see more details and another shop now. If you click on it, it's taking us to the shop page. You can see other products. All right, you can see other products. Just if you keep scrolling, you're going to see more about the things that you have on this website. Now these are the testimonials that I used for this website. All right, if you see this now, there are different testimonials which you can also use this for your website to actually make your website look appealing, because people want to see what other people are saying about your business. Okay, so if you scroll down, you're going to see this part that says ready to discover your perfect remedy, then blah blah blah, and you have the shop now button again. So what I did here is to add their logo. Okay, there's a logo here just to remind the visitors that this is the brand, and then below it you have the social media icons, which are included just in case a user wants to follow them on social media. So you can follow them on Facebook, you can follow them on Instagram, you can follow them on X, that is Twitter. So let's quickly go to the top. Let's look at all other pages that you have for this website. So if we scroll up, if you notice, one of the things I did is that I included some of the pictures of the products on this particular page, on the home page, just to make sure that the user has an awareness of the kinds of products that this business offers. So we are on the top now. If you go to the top right where you see the 3 horizontal lines, if we click it here, it's going to drop down these menus. So because we are on the home page, you can see that the home is showing us a green, a lemon green. So we go to the about page. If you click on the about page, we allow it to load for a moment, and once it loads, the about page talks about everything about the business. As you can see, we are on the about page, and then you can see an image of one of their products. All right, remember, I keep showing the images just for emphasis here. So you can see we strive to provide our customers with the highest quality and all of that. And you can see the owner of the business, the picture of the owner of the business. If you scroll down, you're going to see our core values that drive everything we do. You can see their core values. If you scroll down, you're going to see their mission, and then another image again. And if you go down, you're still going to see the social media icons. So I purposely did this on purpose. I did this on purpose just for the sake of emphasis. So all of these social media accounts are replicated throughout all the pages, okay, so that they don't have to be looking for it in a different page, you get, so it's easier to navigate. All right, so let's scroll up again and go to the next page. So if we come back to this top right here where we have the horizontal line, we click on it again. So we are in the about page. Let's go to the shop page. I'm going to show you their products. So let's allow this to load for a moment. All right, let's allow this to load for a moment. Yeah, so look at the products. As you see, these are the products that they sell. So these are all of the products. So in total, they have just 12 products. Now, one beautiful thing about this is that a user can just click on this to purchase the product. So if we click on this now, it will take us to where you are going to add the product to a cart. Can you see now? So you can see more description about the product. So if I click on add to cart, it's going to add the product to cart. Are you seeing this now? And then if we scroll down, you see the related products. Are you seeing this now? So you can actually adopt this. You can use this. You can have a website or own a website like this for your business. Whether you're doing food business, whether you are into coaching, whether you are into sales of gadgets, laptops, and whatever you are into, you can actually use this kind of website. You can have this kind of website for your business. If you scroll down again, you're still going to see the social media accounts and the logo. All right, now if we go up, we're going to see, let's just go to this drop down menu here. Wait, let's go to this top right here and click on this. Now we are on the shop page. Let's go to the service page. All right, so I'm just taking time to show you all of these pages so you can see that you can actually have this for your business. So we are on the service page. You can see all of their services. All right, you can see all of their services. And then let's go to the last page, which is the contact page. So on the contact page, you're going to find every detail about their contact and their location. All right, so for the sake of this video, let's just go back. Okay, good. So this is the contact page. Are you seeing now? Okay, I purposely hid the contacts just because this is confidential. So if you go now, okay, let me just open it so you just see, because probably you might be one of their customers and you want to do business with them. So you can see their contacts in case you want to do business with them. So you can see the social media buttons. All right, if you want to follow them. So if I want to, let's say I'm a user now and I want to check them out on Facebook, I can click on this, and it will take us to Facebook. Are you seeing now? It will take us to Facebook. Can you see? Let's go back. Now you can also do the same thing for the Twitter account. So if you click on X here, it's going to take us to Twitter. Can you see? Taking us to Twitter now. So this is their social media account on Twitter. Can you see this now? So you can follow them. So I'll just go off again. You can do also the same thing for Instagram. So if you have your social media account, you can connect it to your website. That's exactly what I can do for you. So let's go back to the top. Let me show you exactly how a user can make a purchase and order for products on this website. So if we come to the top right here, you see these horizontal lines. I'll click on it, and then once I click on it, I come to the shop, click on shop. Okay, so if you're getting value for this, if you're watching this right now and you're watching from YouTube, please just make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell. Okay, now, so these are the products on the page. So what happens when a user wants to make a purchase? Let's say I want to buy this aluminum foil, or probably I want to buy this this Elia Herbal Mistletoe tea. This is a tea, yeah. So I'll click on it. Okay, I'll click on it. Now users will have to pay with their card, or they can pay with transfer, or different methods of payment. That's what you can get when you have your payment gateway integrated, meaning that if you have a website, you can integrate payment gateway so that people can pay you from any part of the world. All right. So the advantage of that is that you can be sleeping and somebody is paying for your product from another part of the world. You can be at a party, somebody is paying for your product. So it removes the limitation of the physical business of waiting for people to come to your shop before they can buy from you. All right. So they can buy from you from any part of the world if you have your payment gateway integrated into your website, which is something I can do for you. So let's say we are buying this product right now as a user. How do they buy? So they are just going to add to cart. All right. The product is 3,000 naira. They are going to add it to cart, and once they add it to cart, it will just be in their cart for them to now proceed to checkout. So let's say this product is priced at 3,000, but let's say the user wants to buy 2 of it. So that will be 3,000 times 2. Okay, so we are adding to cart. So they are ordering for 2 of that package. So because they are ordering for 2, you can see that the price is now okay. This is showing us quantity 6. So let's change the quantity. We are buying just 2. Okay, so they will click update. So once they click update, you see the price will change back to 6,000 because they are buying 2. So once we scroll, next thing is for the user to proceed to checkout. So once they click on proceed to checkout, the next thing they will see is for them to input their details. So for the sake of this tutorial, you can see I've inserted my details here, but they will have to fill up their details so that they can make purchase, because if they don't fill their details, they can't make purchase here. So once they fill their details correctly, they will have to place order. Click on place order. So once they click on place order, the next thing is for them to pay with their card. Are you getting it now? So usually people who shop online, they know this process. Okay, so it's easier for them that way. So let's say we are paying with card. If we are paying with card, we're just going to click on pay with card. All right, so let's imagine your name is Success. You click on Success and then you click on pay. All right, payment successful. Can you see? So what this does is that the person pays from wherever they are, and you're going to receive an order email notification telling you that somebody has ordered for your product. Now look at this email. Can you see? Pay stack receipt. That means somebody has just paid. So this is a notification showing you that somebody has paid for your product. So this is exactly how it's going to work. So if I reload this now or refresh this page, you are going to see that it will show us the detail of the person's payment. So this is what you're going to receive from your back end in your mail from your Paystack account. So once you receive this now, you can now call the person and arrange for how you are going to deliver the product that has just been ordered. Can you see now? So this is exactly how you can receive order with your website when you have a fully functional website that is visible to people online. So you can actually use this for your business. The advantage is that you can automate your business. You don't have to be always online sharing your pictures randomly to different kind of people before they can purchase from you. You can be sleeping, you can be doing something else while somebody is purchasing from you. And the beauty is that you can also attract investors. All right, once they see this, they can trust you that you are a brand that they can connect with. So you can attract investors to your business using a beautiful website like this. Now, if you want to have this for your business, if you want to build a website for your business, all you need to do is to click on the button that you see below this video. All right, if you're watching this on YouTube now, just go to the comment section, drop a comment, or go to the link in the description and click on the link. All right, you're going to be sent to a page where you can call me. All right, if you're watching this outside YouTube, just click on the button below this video to make a call with me so that we can discuss the modalities and how to proceed, what your business is about, and we can plan on how to build your website for your business. That's all for this video. Click on the button below and I'll see you inside.